Some dude actually ended up killing himself right here.
Right here?
Yeah, he jumped down.
Oh, dude, it's cold as shit outside.
It really is cold, bro.
Yeah, today was the worst day to do this, but you know what?
What is it right now? Like what? 30?
Yeah, 34.
34. We got a
this-
lot of places
got this-
ready for you guys.
Got this $5 fucking headlight, on my head. That shit.
You know how much this headlight was?
Shit. Temu, bro. This is Temu right
bro.
here.
This is real. This is good stuff.
No, for mine, right? On Temu is claimed to be, 500, but
Yeah, bullshit.
yeah. Be
He's
like
got his camera out right now with
Yeah,
DJI,
yeah.
little thing.
Yeah, DJI, off-brand of GoPro, I guess. But
Hey, it's DJI is a good brand now.
Yeah.
Tonight,
it's just
take it
kinda
easy. It's a little cold outside. We don't want to get hurt. So there's stories basically about people. I wouldn't say partying, satanic stuff going on back there.
There used to be this is where I guess a lot of back in the 1800s when the war and shit was breaking out, and a lot of people, especially the witches back in the day, they did a bunch of rituals and spells and all that crap. Which, I mean, me personally, I don't believe in that.
Yeah, we don't believe in that, but that's why we're going these
But
places.
that's where we're gonna go. We're gonna see what's up. What do we feel? And like I said, there's a lot of fake shit out there. A lot of people make up a lot of things. So, we are gonna put those theories at rest, I guess.
So basically, we're kind of with you guys. We're not here to fake things. We're here to actually show you that we don't believe in this stuff. And if we see something, we're gonna document this. We're gonna
actually
post these things on YouTube and on whatever we got, any platform we can put it on. Hopefully, it doesn't get taken down. Hopefully, we're allowed to post these things.
Right. So, of course, like I said, excuse the language already.
Yeah, so
already starting out. There is gonna be no blaring out shit and everything. So, if, like I said, we see something, we're gonna post it.
I was just reviewing some of my footage and I saw my tag was poking out a little bit.
Nah,
Too much.
Let the crowd see that shit, bro. That shit's
Too much,
funny.
yo. The tag.
That's too funny. That's too funny. Like I said, I don't believe in none of the
No.
ghostly, mystical bullshit.
I'll believe it when I see it.
If something pops out in my face, well, you know what? I start believing in God one day, I guess.
That's. All right, well,
We're here, but we're gonna have to.
we're almost there. We gotta get to the spot first. We gotta park. All right, I have the light off right now because we gotta get to the spot without any cars seeing us.
We parked in the woods. If you want to show them actually the rock that we had to climb up. Bone stock Wrangler too. That's another thing.
Turn the lights off when we see a car.
Yep. This is where some kid
Holy
killing
shit, that is
himself.
deep.
Some dude actually ended up killing himself right here. He
Right
jumped
here?
Down. Yeah, he jumped down and landed there and he died.
Yeah, that's far down. You good?
There's a drop, but oh yeah, there it is. Look at that shit right there.
Oh, we see it. We got to the spot.
Yeah, but how the fuck we get down there?
What happened? This is all runoff, huh?
I think the only way is through here, dude.
Oh man, be careful.
It looks pretty aggressive. I'm not gonna lie. Shit, dude.
We're good?
I'm good. We gotta walk the way, man.
What does that say?
I don't know. It says something real quick. Come eat?
Come in. There's an arrow.
Oh, come in.
Oh wow, look at this place, man.
What's that say? What?
Somebody, daddy would. Pause.
Oh, shit. Alright, let's go. Holy shit, dude. He collapsed. Well, this was the pin that we were sent. Can you see? trees are all knocked down. You got the arrows. They're calling the arrows, guys, on the trees. They collapsed, dude.
There's no door left, huh?
No, I think this was the way in. And this whole shit got, wow. This broke down.
This is what? Early 1800s.
Yeah, at least.
Look at that. It's like leaning.
Yeah, it's like bulging out. Yeah, there's no way in. I think this was the way in over here, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. So it's completely gone, huh?
Yep.
What's that over there?
Where? That's the bridge.
There's the bridge.
Yeah, that's where the water is.
Oh, so we're at the bottom?
Yep. We're all the way. Look at the fence all around here. All completely knocked down.
Huh.
Whoa.
Watch a step. Want to head back this way?
I guess. It's an impressive place, dude.
Yeah.
See the arrow right here? Where's that arrow? Yeah, see? That's the arrow right there.
Oh, yeah.
Holy crap, it's cold. I don't think you guys know how steep this is, but from the camera view, this is how steep it is.
Yes, this is
like
really steep stuff.
45 degrees. Holy shit. Look at the road that way.
Rough here, man.
The road that way, man.
That's it.
There's nothing out here.
We are basically in the middle of nowhere.
Oh,
Wow.
that's a little bit more scary, dude. I don't really feel anything fishy about this place.
Wasn't much about this place, no. Not at all. We just got to some trail and there's caution tape.
Yeah, I don't know what that is about.
This
We're somewhere else now,
is
but
this used to be, well,
this is taped up.
it's like a plastic.
What was that? You heard that, right?
Yeah, I actually just heard that. I just heard that. That wasn't just me, right?
No, I heard that.
That's fucking weird, dude.
I really hope the camera picked that up.
Yeah, I hope so too.
That was so faint. It sounded like a...
somebody knocking on the tree. I don't know which tree, but somebody was knocking right.
Yeah, this is all from the wildfire.
Yeah, everything is spoiled over here, dude. Wait, what is this? Oh, that shit reeks, bro.
This...
Oh, that shit reeks. It's fucking disgusting.
Yeah, man, look at this. All the ground is just charred.
Oh, it's snowing a little bit.
What?
It's flurrying a little bit. Yeah. Look at that.
Where?
Okay. Oh, you'll see it. Where is it? Give it a second. There it goes. See that?
No.
You don't see the little driplets?
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah, it's snowing a little bit. You guys probably think we're stupid, but like, we're out here because, like I said, we're not trying to mess around with anything. We're actually trying to, just see, if this shit's real or not. But that first noise that we just heard, that was kind of a little bit weird. That took us by surprise, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't even think about that. Oh my goodness. Yo, this is like look at all these fucking bottles.
There's tons of bottles. And what are these?
What was that? You think it's just the trees?
No, I heard something. It was like a very high-pitched noise in the distance. It wasn't like a scream though. It was more like a yelp.
Yeah. There's a lot of bottles over here, dude.
Bro, there's bottles everywhere.
Holy shit.
Yeah, this is a trail right here.
Yeah, this is a little bit more challenging. So as soon as I stop, it stops making noise?
Shh, shh. It's the tree.
Oh, it's a tree.
It's a tree. The tree creaking for the winds.
Tree is freaking. Okay. Good to know.
Oh, man, yeah.
Watch your
Can't even-
step.
you